Hey guys, it's Todd with PageOneRanks.com and ecom.partners, and I wanted to shoot a quick video giving my review and opinion on the Rapid Multiplier course and whether or not this is something that is worth joining or not. So I was introduced to Ashley and Lauren by their husbands, Jason and Donathan. And that's how I got involved with this course and going through the content that Ashley and Lauren have put out for us. And so if you're looking to drive traffic and you're wanting to promote on YouTube, which is a great source of traffic and is a Google property, this is definitely, without a doubt, one of the best training courses that you can possibly get to learn the ins and outs of how to set up a YouTube channel, how to optimize a YouTube channel, how to promote a YouTube channel both organically through search engine optimization as well as with paid ads. And then also it talks about how to choose the right affiliate products, whether you want to go after low ticket products, high ticket products. Um, Hint there, really high ticket is where a great majority of opportunity is. A whole lot less sales can be made and a whole lot more money. So, one little idea there for you to consider. But the course is really in several different modules, and it starts off with, what is affiliate marketing and why YouTube, and then different ways that you can use the strategy. And then we roll down into getting started. And basically, this is where they take you by the hand and they show you how to create your own YouTube channel and how to name your channel. They then lead you into customization of your channel, introducing a tool that they use, which I now subscribe to and use almost on a daily basis. So, really, a neat tool that is very cost effective that you can use over and over with your websites, with your YouTube channels, with your marketing, all sorts of things. Um, then they talk about what to promote and where to find affiliate products. There's actually a bonus section, I believe, that actually goes into actual products that you can promote. And then they move into competitive research. And then as you start to look at building your videos, they give you outlines that you can kind of work from. Um, this video is not using that outline. I'm just kind of talking off the top of my head and shooting video here on Camtasia. So should probably be following your outline. Sorry, ladies. Tells you how to make an end screen. Then it talks about leveraging AI. And this actually is an area that really has lit the fire under me and is an area that I'm really focused on. And I actually subscribe to one of the AI tools that they use and am using that and now have created a product out of this and am working with a partner to promote a high ticket offer in the financial services space. So this one product is hopefully going to lead to ideally $5,000 commission checks when we convert and make sales. So really happy with what they've offered there and what they've showed me how to do. Then they talk about editing videos and then publishing, measuring, optimizing results. And then they've got their bonuses and resources that they have in there. I won't open that tab as I don't want to reveal what's in there. I'm not sure if they want me to or not. But the next one is the 30-day fast start workshop. And that combined with kind of the A to Z everything that this product offers in setting up, creating, optimizing, and then converting videos into sales. The 30-day fast start workshop is really foundational and is something that I think every person can go through and can get great advantage of. I have made it through the 30-day, have gone through it a couple of times now, and I still find myself getting a little bit hung up at the very end. But, the bottom line is I have gotten videos done. They have been submitted, and so the whole goal was getting something up, and that's what I was able to do with the 30-day fast workshop. Tommie Powers is known as Tommie Traffic. Tommie is, one of the top YouTube guys and is working with Lauren and Ashley, and has some modules in here that talks about paid advertising. I haven't gone through it entirely yet because I'm not quite ready yet, but when I get things up and running and I want to amplify traffic, this will most certainly be an area that I'll be going through. And then they have another bonus. If you are in the precious metals niche with gold, silver IRAs, there's some great stuff in there. And then last but not least is another bonus with top affiliate offers that are converting offers, that are a lot of high ticket offers, and probably worth the price of the course alone. So bottom line is, I've been in this game a long time, help businesses with their marketing, with their online, with their e-commerce, with their paid, with their SEO, and now video, and video because of these ladies and doing it properly. So highest recommendation, which I don't give many recommendations online, but my highest recommendation goes to Rapid Multiplier with Ashley and Lauren, and just can't thank them enough for the great quality product that they put in the marketplace. Talk to you later.